So this is the old stock fender turned upside down. I'm not going to film this entire process of cutting this, but just wanted to show to separate, just removing these clips along here. There's one right here, and then this will separate out. Basically what we'll do is we'll cut this piece off right here. We don't need that anymore. And then we'll make a cut right here down to where that's separated. And I'll show you why, because what we'll do is we'll use this little tab to mount the back. Use the original mount points for the front, just with a big washer. So you can see that looks a lot better than this. So here's the finished product. The first one took me about 30 minutes to do. The second one took me like 10 minutes. It's a lot better. I removed the back fender here. This one had some clips that you could pull out to make it a little bit easier, but basically just grabbed it and just ripped it off. See all the broken clips? Doesn't matter. Not gonna reuse them. And now everything's all cleaned up, ready to put the new one on. And the finished product with the factory lighter cut and reinstalled. And just some final thoughts on the Smittybilt XRC Fender flares. One thing that I'd heard about these, or a lot of comments, were the installation, the way that they install was not good, or problems with the rivet tools and such. As of May 2019, these are in the front 100% bolt-in. These bolts and the self-locking nuts on the back, super sturdy, no problems there. These do not include any type of front side marker light, so I made a bracket to put that back. For the rear, it's the same. You have 2 bolts here, and then you've got the self-tapping screws here, here, and here. Again, super sturdy. Installation was super simple.